Welcome back to this video. Quite a lot of people does not know that their photos and video are being spied on in Google Photo. What you need to do is to make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to fix that. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is head over to your Google Photo. So I'm going to click on here to open up my Google Photo. So after you open up your Google Photo, next thing you need to do is to simply click on this profile icon right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and make sure you come to photo settings. And the next thing you need to do is to go to privacy. The next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and go to Google Photo Access. Then take it right here. So you will see all the apps that is having access to your Google Photo and video. What you need to do is to simply select on the app. Then after you click on the app, it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on Cloud Media App Settings. Then take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on the icon. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on Don't Allow. As simple as that. So with that, you have blocked them from spying you and access to your photos and video. It's as simple as that, and you maintain your privacy. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.